Imagine a city where natural boundaries not only thrive, but also enhance biodiversity. Let's explore how cities are creating vibrant hedgerow networks to do just that. Hedgerows are linear, natural boundaries that can be seen in rural areas. In cities, they face challenges due to fragmented environments and diverse land uses. These networks help reduce soil erosion and filter pollutants like pesticides, protecting waterways from contamination. They're essential for urban ecosystems. Urban areas are full of linear elements that can benefit from hedgerow augmentation. Projects like the Urban Hedgerow campaign promote this transformation globally. Hedgerows attract wildlife into urban spaces, creating a biodiverse environment where plants and animals can thrive despite city dominance. They're nature's way of reclaiming space. Edible hedges and permaculture hedgerows are being integrated into urban food systems, showing how these networks can be scalable and sustainable solutions in cities. Despite practical difficulties, the benefits of urban hedgerow networks make them a vital part of future city planning. They offer ecological services and enhance biodiversity. So there you have it. From reducing pollution to enhancing wildlife, urban hedgerows play a crucial role in making our cities more sustainable. What would you like to see more of in your city?